Good evening for everyone. My name is Haider Gomez, and today I am going to show you how to create material in a website. In this case, with this work is for material design for virtual environment, and this is the task number 2, learning extra taste. To start, create a website on the Wix platform. We have to take in account of it in mind this. The first one is to define the topic that our site will cover, such as the blog, portfolio, or a virtual store. In this case, we are going to make a small blog explaining the days of the week in English for first grade. To begin with the creation of our future site, we will start by going to the Wix page, right? And there we can register with our email, or with a Facebook account. It doesn't matter, right? Okay, so sorry because in this moment the page is in Spanish, but we can translate the page in English if you want. Yes? Okay. Yes. I am going to put my email, right? Okay. So, excuse me, we need to stop because I am going to show you step by step. Okay. Okay, once registered, yes, we follow the step indicated in the page. Yes? So, my email in this case. Okay. And we log in. Yes, we need to start. Okay. Once registered, we follow the steps indicated on the page and we log in. In this case, I have login and we create a new site. Okay, we stop here, right? What do you want to create? Yes? What type of page we want to create? In this case, it's a blog. Yes? Okay. Okay, for the creation of our page, the platform offers two options. Yes, the first allows us to choose between the different templates with the comfortable and pleasant designs. That we can choose the edit the other, which is the create our own design from scratch. Okay, yes, so, yeah. Okay, in here we can choose what we want to create. Okay. So. Okay, yes. Okay, because we are going to start and to edit. Okay, we stop here. Okay, now we are in our edit. Okay, in this case we are going to have an addition about here. Yes, and today for today we will make a small blog where we will explain the days of the week for first grade, right? So, excuse me, I don't know what happened because all the weeks is in Spanish. I don't know. I try to put in English all the time, but it was not possible. Yes? So, yes, we can put a title here. Okay. Okay. Days of the week. Yes? Okay. Days of the week. Right? Okay, this is our title. Yes? The first we get a title. We are going to put a little explanation because this is for little kids, right? And we are going to insert an picture. Okay. The picture is here. Okay, Can I stop? Okay. It's a plot in my computer here. Okay. We stop with a moment here. Okay, here is our page, right? Okay, this is a little explanation because we are explaining to our kid, right, the days of the week. For example, at the moment that our students open this page, they are going to find this amazing two little birds explaining the days of the week, right? Okay. When guys they open this art page, they are going to find the explanation, right? But this is a short explanation. Later we will put a video. Yes, if you want to create to do better your weeks or your blog, you are going to insert a video, right? This video is about the topic. In this case, it's a hand. Our video is a hand singing and pronouncing the days of the week. Yes? Okay. Here we are going to change the link of the video, right? Is the walrus singing, the days of the week. It's a beautiful hand singing, right? Okay. This is amazing. Okay, after that we have put the video, this explanation video, maybe we are going to put some applications in some exercises, right? Okay, I am going to put some title, yes. Here, give me a moment, please. Okay. Oh my God, excuse me. Okay, no. Okay, here. Okay, and we are going to write some exercises. Okay, yes. After, what are your two exercises? I choose some two amazing pictures, yes, about the days of the week. Yes, it can be writing, speaking, listening. It doesn't matter. You can choose even if you want. Yes, in this case, it's writing because I am only explaining how to use weeks. Okay. So yes, we have one exercise here when the students are going to complete the puzzle with the days of the week. Yes. Okay. And the second one. Okay, here we go. Now we have the two exercises. For example, the number one is to complete with the writer of the day, and the number two is to complete the week, the puzzle according to exercise number one, and the third one. Okay, there are some exercises that you can put, yes, according to the skill that you want to improve in your children. If we want to finish, right, because this is a weeks only for, it's a block only for first grade, we are going to finally we can put an online, right, an online test. Yes. Okay, we are going to put a title. Okay, here, excuse me, okay, one moment. Okay, here is the title, right? Okay, like a test. Okay, online test, yes, like example, right? And we are going to add the link of our test. Okay, here is the link of our test. Okay. Right. Okay. Stop one moment here. Here, okay. This is the same. And time. Okay, when our students open this link, they are going to find this test. And what is this test? This is a little test. So in my case, I put this test, and this test is about listen and drag and drop, right? For example, when they open this link, they are going to have a listening test. For example, listen.
Sunday.
Sunday. Okay, when a student say, we are going to drag, here, drag and drop. Yes, they say Sunday. They were about a listen, right? And they, before, after reading, they are going to organize. For example, they say Monday here. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? And they put finished. When they put finished, yes, we say check my answer here. And they are going to have a score, right? This is an amazing blog for our children, right? Okay. When you consider that our page is okay, we finally we're going to publish button in this case, yes, or to post, yes, and there is a link that this will be our domain, but it can be personalized, right? For example, I'm going to put days of the week, first grade. Okay. So, yes. And then we say save and continue. Okay, sorry, there cannot be sample here. Yes. And we continue with save. Great. Okay, I had to erase first grade because weeks don't accept more than 20 characters. Yes, only days of the week in this case. Yes, our dominion, and we save and continue. Finally, it will be our dominion or the link. Yes, and for example, if you want, you say done here. Yes, and it will be, right? We put here, okay, to watch the page, and yes, and here we have our blog explaining the days of the week for first grade. Yes, it is amazing, right? It's very easy, but we need to practice. But it is amazing to work for any grade, and each one it doesn't matter the kind of subject, social science, math, English, Spanish, everything that you want. Finally, if you want to share it with all students, we only share this link and we can send to our students, and when they would like to open, yes, they are going to find the explanation and the word, okay, everything that you want about the days of the week, right? This is all about the explanation how to use weeks for virtual material design. Thank you so much.